Hi, how are you doing? Today you can see that it's a nice canvas, paper based actually, and I just put the masking tape all around it. So top, bottom, right and left, and I'm going to draw a nice picture in this canvas. So first, let's draw a house which is going to be the red color. Actually, it's going to be in a rural platform. So putting the house like you can see with the brushes. Okay, so color getting nice. All right, the red color just prevails for the pieced roof of the house, and taking another way, awesome, and putting the vertical lines here, you can see. Okay, another vertical line, and going to draw like this one. Okay, all right, and there's going to be a door, little bit longer I think, and a window on the side, you can see. So that's how the house looks. Okay, now adding little bit water and just you know putting the water here. Just like that, some water. Okay, all right, little bit color variations you can see here. Okay, then we are going to put little bit green for the ground, and the ground is just going from this corner to the center point. You can see the ground, just putting the colors. It looks like little bit watercolor. Okay, all right. So the contours is going to be little bit ups and downs here. Okay, and just going to the end point. All right, let's put a border at the last end of this green line so that it has a clear separation points here, and also putting another strong border here, and the trees, the taller trees are going to be like this. Okay, you can see just few paintings, and the top is still pointy here. Okay, and putting few strokes of greeneries which are little bit darker than the canvas. And for the bigger trees in the bottom, and in a far distance, actually this is the woods. Okay, now we're going to highlight the mountains behind the house by putting the outlines, bigger outlines for the mountains like this. Okay, just putting the few lines here, and lots of greens, just putting the green colors. Okay, adding some water and you can see the color variations. So sometimes the colors, those are soft color, and you can see the variations of the shades, the deep color and the soft color. Okay, mountain behind it. And also some taller trees also you can see over the mountains in a far distance, like this one. Okay, and just drawing like this. All right, and also putting some colors here, some colors again putting here. All right, so you can see the variations of the shades is making it a nice picture around here. Now let's this color to be dry, and we're going to put some colors here in this platform. So we're going to take the red color and just try to draw the river banks. Okay, in a red color. Just you can see the banks is still here. Okay, so that's the end for the red color. Now we need to put the water and the sky. So as you know, the sky is soft blue, so we just need only water and putting the color blue very soft in this frame. And just mixing up the whole sky as it coming to the downwards, so the blue color just diminishing. Okay, diminishing all the way down. Okay, and on the top you can see the blue color is going to be very strong. Okay, so I'm putting more colors on the top. All right, putting the blue also for the water here. Okay, and when making the variations for the water, actually just for the water blue color, just putting some only the water, just to mixing the color all over the canvas. Okay, so taking the blue outside, actually you can see. Okay, end of the canvas. All right, and for few steps we're just putting little line with the blue, just to make the variations of the appearance of the colors here. Okay, so that's going to be the drawing for the water levels. Now we're going to put the marker or sign pen, anything, just to make the things little bit bold. So let's put the sign pen here. Okay, and just drawing the house, you can see this is the second step. Okay, just drawing the house, making the outline little bit bold. Okay, another one here, and you can see, but I think the marker that's going to work better because it has a bold black color. So that's why I'm changing the pen and putting the marker here, and you can see the drawing getting fine. Awesome, making a bold line here. All right, so for the piece group, just putting some the hatches for the graphics. You can draw the window always and the door. Okay, put the window like this one and the doors like this one, and for the grasses you can put the center with the black color. Also drawing all the stops here and drawing the center with the black color, drawing this one. Okay, and also drawing this one, putting the colors. All right, okay, so for the mountain labels, just putting the borders like you can see, just the outlines here and another outlines to the top. Okay, and making this. Okay, and also putting some black colors to the separation points of the two mountains. That's a good thing. And also putting some colors and separation points here, and we're going to outline the tree and the grasses, the landscape which is at the bottom. Okay, and making a straight line here. Okay, for this landscape, just putting some grasses, and for the water level, just putting some lines of the waters and making it with the black color. Okay, and in the sky we're just putting some V shapes, so that means the birds are flying in the sky. All right, so few birds are flying, and we're going to put the shades from the top. All right, for the house, and also a few hatches we're just putting on the side here too. Okay, so that's the drawing, and only few details left on the top, just putting it like that. Okay, and also putting this one like that, just making the drawing little bit smooth and overall. And few just incoming drawing, just we're doing the details here for the landscapes, and you can see from the river banks all these landscapes are just coming inward, and also for the water body, just putting the hatches here, and for the the lines which is the banks coming to the water, just putting some variations. and the labelings to the river. Okay, and that's the drawing for today. Very nice and interesting scenery. Okay, so now we're just putting out, you know, just having our hands, and you can see just pulling out the borders with the masking. Okay, I'm just zooming out this one little bit and pulling out the masking, which is going to be the borders. Let's see how does it looks. All right, okay, and finally the last one I'm just pulling out here. Okay, so that's the very nice scenery. You can see moving all over the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.